The Jasion EB7 2.0 offers a blend of power, convenience, and comfort, tailored for adult riders seeking versatility and reliability. Featuring a compact design and foldable frame, this electric bike is ideal for urban commutes and adventurous outings alike. Equipped with an 850-watt peak motor, the EB7 reaches a maximum speed of 28 miles per hour, making it suitable for various terrains and commuting needs. The 48-volt 10 amp-hours removable lithium battery provides a range of 20 to 40 miles per charge, ensuring ample mileage for daily journeys. Additionally, the removable battery design enhances charging convenience. Designed for comfort, the EB7 features dual suspension, with an 80mm travel front suspension fork and rear seat suspension, providing excellent shock absorption and stability. The 20-inch by 4-inch fat tires offer superior grip and puncture resistance, ensuring a smooth and confident riding experience. Safety is prioritized with front and rear mechanical disc brakes, along with a bright headlight and adjustable rear light for enhanced visibility during night rides. The half-twist throttle helps prevent accidental activation, ensuring rider safety. The bike's humanized design includes an intuitive LCD digital display, showing speed, battery charge, pedal assist level, and travel distance. A USB charging port allows convenient phone charging on the go, while the 7-speed system enables riders to choose their preferred speed. With its combination of power, comfort, and safety features, the Jasion EB7 2.0 offers a reliable and enjoyable riding experience for urban commuters and recreational cyclists alike.